I recently made a video covering a guy in the UK shining a laser at a police helicopter and getting himself arrested as a result, and you can check out that video by clicking the related video down below, and I've also left a link in the description. But it would seem that nowhere is safe from these idiots, as here we have another case of a guy lasering a police helicopter, but this time in Manatee County in Florida.
Heavy available, but we have somebody hitting us with a laser up here at 929 16th Street West.
Truck, keep going forward, keep going forward. Step to the house on your driver's side now. Should be a little car in the driveway and then a four-door sedan.
Yeah, we got the laser, we see it.
Looks like he's still standing on the back porch.
Come here. Police department, turn around. Put your hands right in your back.
What?
Put the cigarette out.
What is happening?
Put the cigarette out. Keep your hands where I can see them.
No, what?
Sorry.
I was trying to
Come inside.
What's that?
Come inside.
Did he have the laser in his hand when he came around the corner?
Four in his hand. It was on.